afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, teachers, and my friends. Today, in this debate competitions, I'm going to present my opinions on uniforms. School uniforms are required in school. School uniforms means the attire which we wear, but I think and it is needed. Wearing a uniforms mean that students are fully focused on their educations and not in the attire they wear. School uniform can save people, parents and student times and money also. Students in morning student does not spend their time thinking what to wear in the school, and they just waste their time thinking that. But if we have uniform, then we don't have to think of these things, and our time will also be saved. And my previous opponent friend also told that school uniforms are like many people can't afford school uniform, but I think that school uniforms are more cheaper than the uniforms. If we there will be we can wear anything, then we want to wear like trendy clothes, so it will cost more and they have to afford more. So school uniform is cheaper than the uniform we wear if there will be no school uniforms. And school uniforms help us to be more disciplined. It will not be in our behavior, but it will show our outer smartness by school uniforms. And my previous opponent friend also told that in the ancient times, gurus are used to study without like uniform, wearing their comfortable clothes. But I want to say him that there used to be only one gurukul in whole place, and they can recognize them that they study in the same gurukul. But now we can see in this modern era, at one place there are many schools, and we cannot recognize if we doesn't have our own representations, and school give us that uniform, then we can represent our school. And without uniform, everyone can enter school, and it will be harder for school administration to manage all the student, and outsider also enter the school, and it may pose a risk to the student, and they can feel insecure in front of them, or outsider will pose risks to them. School uniforms promote equality and inclusivity. If there will be school uniform, then we don't have to take pressure what to wear every day. And we see everyone economical background is not the same. We see our friends wearing trendy clothes, so we also want, then it will make us feel smaller than them. So school uniforms there will be no discriminations if there will be school uniforms, because everyone will wear same uniforms. And if there will not be the school uniforms, different people wear different clothes, and outside also we can represent our school. And we see our friends and we try to copy them, we want to wear like them, and they wear trendy clothes, and our parents may not can afford the clothes that they can wear. So I think uniform is better, and it will and my friend also told that it will not be in our behavior that wearing good clothes, then our behavior is bad. But I think that it will not affect the behavior, but in outside it shows us smart and discipline. It helps to improve, but not it will make discipline. So I think uniform, school uniform is good and best. Thank you.